Hello, welcome to the daily market forecast for wealthy trades. It is June 24, 2015. Let's first and foremost talk about the SPY, where we're at. This market continues to kind of stay in its own way. It's interesting. We are putting in new pivots. All right, the pivots that we're paying attention to. If you remember back a while ago, we were paying attention to this 212 area and this 207 area. And then it maybe moved down a little bit, but now the pivots that we're looking for, and the bulls are looking for a continuation move above 213.34, and the bears are looking for a break below 207.79. Essentially, again, we are in an uptrend. I am very bullish. I think we're going to start to break out. Look at this hugely, tightly wound market that we've had essentially all year long, but really it's been real tight since mid-February. It's essentially put in a range of down to about 204.40 up to, let's say, 213.50, so about a $9 range essentially. So we're talking a 4.5% range. That is unbelievably tight. So we are probably going to be breaking out or down, and I'm a bull, so I think we're going to be breaking out very, very soon. That's my opinion. And much the same has happened over the last year and the year before. The whole sell in May, go away thing. In the summer, markets are boring in the summer. Well, that's not necessarily true over the last couple of years. In fact, we've gotten some nice rallies. So, anyway, let's figure out what we're doing for today. We're going to do a pairs trade because the market quality, the trend quality is below 50%. So therefore, I'm going to move my stocks over to my portfolio, and we're going to look for the best long opportunity within the consumer discretionaries. And then we're going to look for the best shorting opportunity to pair that with in the energy sector. All right, our old friend, the energy sector. So let's use our normalized pair down technique to eliminate anything that doesn't make money, both sides. Real simple. All right, so I'm flipping through this fairly quickly. If you've been watching these videos, you should realize this is the same exact technique I use pretty much every day to find the trade. So now let's look at the spread. So 26 and 11 isn't as good as 36 and 11. So TGT is better. It's better than that one. So again, TGT is 36 and 11. So we want to see a wide spread there. It's better than 32 and 9. It's not better than 36 and 9. So GM. Okay, so GM is the long position we're going to go. What do we know about GM? Well, we know it closed at 36.30. It's got a high of 36.58, a low of 36.08, expected high and low. It hits the high on a very often basis, makes money on both sides. This is a good long position. I'm going to go long, close at the end of the day. Now, I'm going to pair that with a short in the energy sector. And the reason why is because the quality is below 50%. So let's move all these over into our portfolio and find the shorting position that we want to pair that long with for today. So let's go in here and use our same exact technique, eliminate anything that doesn't make money on both sides. And I'm going to flip through this fairly quickly. It looks like there's a lot of the stuff doesn't make money on both sides. Is there anything that makes money? Yep, APA does. DVN does. And okay, so now 32 and 11 is, so 32 and 11, that's 21 some. That's less than 20, so ESV is better than that. And it's better than that. ESV is our short. So here's what we're going to do for today. Real simple. We're going to go long GM at the open, close at the end of the day. We're going to go short ESV at the open, close at the end of the day. You also can add to the short positions at the levels to win levels on ESV, and you can add to the long position on GM on the levels to win positions or levels to win levels. That is what I'm going to do. Go long GM, short ESV at the open, close at the end of the day. Let's see if this market can get out of its own way. Futures are down slightly, but we'll see. In fact, let's go real quick. Let's go back to the SPY, and I want to see if there's any levels that I think we could have difficulties, or maybe see a bounce off of today if futures do end up closing or opening down. Yeah, this 210, 50 level or so. I don't think we're going to get down there, but that could play an issue. In fact, maybe even 211.55, because there is a gap that happened from 211.55 to 211.91. There's a gap there that probably needs to be, filled. Well, it got filled pretty close. So probably a little lower than that. Probably between 210.50 and 211.50 is going to be an area. We're probably not going to blow through that. That'll be a pretty important area to watch for the bulls. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Email me, info@wealthytrades.com. The trade today is long GM, short ESV. Let's make it a great day.